Being one of the most used applications globally, you can always expect Twitter to work properly, although there are times when problems can occur. Issues like app crashes can be pretty frustrating, especially if you really need to use the app. In this video, we will show you how to fix the Twitter app that keeps crashing on Galaxy S22. But before we move on, please share and like our videos so we can help other users who might have issues with their device. Going back to our topic, here are the things you should do. First solution, restart the app. App issues are often minor and can be due to app glitches. That's why it's important that if the app stops responding while you're using it, then you have to force stop it and then reopen it. Doing so will reload the app's services. Here's how it's done. Tap the recent key to view the apps you recently used. Find Twitter and swipe up on its preview to close it. Once you've done that, launch Twitter again, use it and try to see if it crashes at some point. If it still does, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, reboot your phone. The next thing you have to do if Twitter still crashes after the first solution is to restart your phone itself. Doing so will reload all the core services including Twitter, and that might just be what you need to do to fix this problem. To restart your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to pull down the quick settings panel. Tap the power icon at the top of the screen. Select restart and then tap restart one more time to reboot your Galaxy S22. Once your phone has finished rebooting, relaunch Twitter to see if the problem is fixed. If the app continues to crash, then try the next solution. Third solution, clear the cache and data. At this point, what you need to do is to reset Twitter. Resetting it means clearing its cache and data. It will delete the cache and data files and replace them with new ones. It will also log you out of your account, so you have to log back in once the problem is fixed. Here's how you reset Twitter. Pull up the app drawer, look for Messenger and then tap and hold on its icon until the options show. Tap the app info icon, or the lowercase I inside the circle. Scroll down a bit and then tap storage. Tap clear cache at the bottom of the screen. This will immediately delete the app's cache. Now tap clear data and select OK to delete its data files. After doing that, launch the app again, log back in and observe to know if the crashes are fixed. If not, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, reinstall Twitter. When it comes to persistent app problems, your last resort will be to delete the app from your phone and then reinstall it. Doing so will delete the installation files and will make sure you're using the latest version of the app. So follow these steps to reinstall Twitter. Pull up the app drawer, look for Twitter and then tap and hold on its icon until the options show. Tap the app info icon, or the lowercase I inside the circle. Tap uninstall at the bottom of the screen and then select OK to confirm you want to remove the app. Once uninstalled, launch the Play Store, search for Twitter and then re-download the app. After the app is reinstalled, it should work properly. And that's pretty much it. Twitter should now work properly without any issues. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel to support us or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.